Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Happy hump day. We have made it halfway through the week. As usual, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to head over to TikTok and follow us under the username TipRanks for other great stock-related updates as well. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the green this morning. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.21%, S&P 500 futures up 0.25%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.33%. Ford Motors has increased the price on their F-150 Lightning, their electric pickup truck, by about $6,000 across the range. Ford plans to reopen the orders for the F-150 Lightning on Thursday after they stopped taking reservations for it back in December after receiving more than 200,000 orders. Their price range will now be from about $47,000 to $97,000. They're attributing the hike in prices to significant material cost increases and other factors. This increase will not apply to current order holders who are awaiting delivery. Right now, analysts rate the Ford stock a hold with an average upside of 5.86%. Over the last couple of days, it has been disclosed that Elon Musk has sold about $6.9 billion in Tesla shares. Musk offloaded about 8 million Tesla shares ahead of the upcoming 3-for-1 stock split that will take place on August 17th. Elon Musk tweeted, "In the hopefully unlikely event that Twitter forces this deal to close and some equity partners don't come through, it is important to avoid an emergency sale of Tesla stock." Somebody asked, if the Twitter deal doesn't close, will you buy Tesla stock again? To which Elon replied, yes. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 3%. Now moving right along to notable earnings reports. Last night, we heard from some big names that included Coinbase. Their stock is falling after they had a rough second quarter. With falling crypto prices and lower trading volume, Coinbase reported a second quarter loss of $4.98, about double the expected loss of $2.47 expected by analysts. Revenue came in at $808 million, shy of the $874 million expected. Analysts currently rate the Coinbase stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 22%. Also posting a wider than expected Q2 loss was Roblox. Their loss in the second quarter was $176.4 million, or 30 cents per share, wider than the estimated 25 cents per share. Their bookings fell 4% year over year to $639.9 million, also missing analyst expectations. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average downside of 18%. And also missing analyst expectations was Plug Power. Their revenue of $151.3 million fell short of the analyst forecast of $159 million. They reported a loss of 30 cents per share, wider than the anticipated loss of 21 cents per share. Analysts still seem bullish, though, with all recent ratings yesterday coming in as a buy. The overall rating is a strong buy with an average upside of 34%. In the pre-market this morning, we have heard from PaySafe. Now, they did post better than expected earnings, but the stock is falling over 10% after the company cut their future guidance. They reported Q2 earnings of 5 cents per share ahead of the estimates of just 2 cents per share. But for their 2020 revenue, they're now forecasting $1.47 to $1.49 billion when their previous guidance was $1.53 to $1.58 billion. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 98%, but we'll see if any reiterated price targets come today following the earnings report. We heard from website builder Wix.com. They also posted better than expected Q2 results, but cut future guidance. They reported a loss of 14 cents per share, narrower than the estimated loss of 33 cents, and saw revenue grow 9.1% year over year. But for 2022, they're now expecting revenue of $1.37 to $1.4 billion, down from the $1.4 to $1.44 billion range previously provided. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 40%. And finally, someone not cutting future guidance was Wendys. They saw revenue grow 9% year over year, coming in at $537.8 million, ahead of analyst estimates, and earnings of 24 cents per share, beating the estimates of 22 cents. They did increase their 2022 earnings by 2 cents to a range of 84 to 88 cents per share. Analysts rate the Wendys stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 5.5%. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from the Dutch brothers Sonos, Bumble, and Coupang. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Trade Desk after they posted better than expected results for their second quarter earnings. Trading under the ticker TTD, the stock is up nearly 17%. They're followed by Array Technologies under ARRY, up about 11%, and Halozyme under HALO, up 8.7%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Roblox following their Q2 results. Under the ticker RBLX, the stock is down 14.6%. They're followed by Ver Biotechnology under VIR, down over 13%, and Cano Health under CANO, down 13%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Make sure you say good morning in the comments down below. Have a fantastic Wednesday, and I'll see you back here next time.